Today, I'll share with you 5 powerful AI tools that you can start using right now, completely free. These tools will save you hours of work, boost your productivity, and even help you earn money in 2025. Number 1. ChatGPT. Think of it as your personal assistant that never sleeps. You can use it to write blog posts, emails, product descriptions, or even generate business ideas in just seconds. For example, if you run an online shop, ChatGPT can instantly create engaging product descriptions that make customers want to buy. If you're a student, it can summarize long research papers into a simple, clear explanation. And if you're a programmer, you can ask it to help debug your code. The best part? Even the free version is powerful enough to get you started today. Next, Canva AI. This is your go-to tool for creating professional designs without needing any graphic design experience. With Canva AI, you can create social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, presentations, or even complete videos in minutes. Imagine needing a YouTube thumbnail for your next upload. Instead of struggling with Photoshop, you can use Canva AI's templates and let the AI suggest colors, fonts, and layouts. It's perfect for beginners who want professional results, and it saves hours of manual design work. Number 3. Grammarly. This AI tool goes far beyond just checking spelling mistakes. It helps you write clearly, concisely, and with the right tone for your audience. For instance, if you're writing a professional email, Grammarly can suggest a more polite and confident style. If you're writing a blog post, it helps you sound engaging and error-free. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or business professional, Grammarly ensures that your words make the right impact. Number 4. Pictory. This tool turns your text into stunning, professional quality videos in just a few minutes. Let's say you have a blog post. Pictory can transform it into a video script, add visuals, background music, and create a complete video ready to share. It's perfect for YouTubers, marketers, and content creators who want to repurpose content quickly. You don't need video editing skills. The AI does all the heavy lifting. And finally, Copy.ai. This is a game changer for anyone in business or marketing. Copy.ai generates ad copy, product descriptions, and social media captions that grab attention and convert viewers into buyers. For example, if you need a catchy Instagram caption or a persuasive sales email, Copy.ai can create multiple options in seconds. It's like having a marketing team available 24/7, and it's completely free to start. And there you have it, 5 free AI tools you can start using right now in 2025. Each of them can save you time, boost your productivity, and even open the door to new income opportunities. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AI Horizon, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our weekly tips, tools, and AI news.